Spring is finally here, and that means it's time to do some very simple maintenance work around the house to make sure that the air you're breathing stays clean.
We're talking about replacing the filter in your HVAC system. Don't be bashful if you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm lucky to have a little brother who's a licensed pro.
Now, most people have a heating and a cooling system in their home that helps to regulate the temperature of the air, and that's composed of an air conditioning unit and a furnace. Start by making sure the system's completely off. Now, if you don't see a switch over by the furnace, come to the thermostat and turn it off.
You're gonna find your filter by the blower on the furnace, either on the side or on the inside of your furnace. Other people will have them throughout the house on air return grates. Most manufacturers will recommend you replace them 3 times a year. I think you can get away with it twice, unless you have any cats or dogs running about. Now just look at that in comparison to a new filter. Now its job is to collect all that dust, dirt, and debris from getting into the equipment, getting sucked up into the coils, making that system work harder, maybe even costing you more money, especially in the long run, and it getting stuck in your ductwork. That's when it builds up and could create some bacteria, and that can blow into your breathing space, which is not something anybody wants. Out with the old and in with the new. Just make sure it's the right size and the right rating. Most professionals will actually recommend getting something mid to low grade because it allows more air through, but it all depends on who you are and what you're trying to do. We're putting the new one in. Just gotta make sure we're doing it the right way. There's an airflow arrow on the side that's usually pointed towards the furnace. There's also a mesh on the back which keeps it from getting sucked up into the furnace. All right, have it nice and seated. Make sure that it's nice and in the back as well. And we're good. Quick tip, just write the date on the side of the filter to help you out to change it for the next time.
We suggest buying your air filters in bulk so you make it a regular habit.
If this helped you out, follow us for some more house hacks.
We'll see you for the next one.